Ooh, pretty colors. I'll keep it that. Oh, there it is. There's a tie-dye kit. Alright, so I'm going to do purple and green, my two favorite colors. Gotta put some water in them, so I'll be right back. Alright, so they said to fill the water up to almost the top and shake it really well. So I did that with both of them. Now I have to put the rubber bands on the t-shirt. Alright, so I put some on every end of the shirt, from the sleeves to the neck and the bottom of it, of course. Now I gotta do some in the middle, so I thought I should record so you would know how to do this. If I can do it with one hand, I don't know. I can get out of the blurry section. There we go. Sort of. I'm just going to throw a big one right in the middle. This is hard. Let's see. There we go. That's better. Hold it with your feet. It's the best advice I can give you for recording yourself doing something. Ow. There we go. I have no idea how this is going to look like at all. I should put one here, shouldn't I? There's those rubber bands. Here they are. Just kind of coming up with some random pattern. Tie-dye, though. It always looks good, so yeah. Apologies for the boo-boo on the finger. Chickens. There. Now all I gotta do is put my gloves back on. It helps if you blow the gloves up. It's much easier to get your hand in there then. Sorry about the roosters in the background. So let's see. Uncap. Oop. Got to use the camera. There we go. Set that down. So you just... This is my first time, so I really haven't done this before. So I'm just kind of putting it on there. Now it's drying fast. Okay. Same with the sleeves. Here, let's just... There. I'm dribbling all over it anyway.
Hello, buddy.
My friend got me this for my birthday. I'm very appreciative. I always wanted to do tie-dye, and now I will. I never thought to actually buy it, though. Like, I thought about doing it, but I didn't even know they made an entire kit for tie-dye. So this is nice. This is really nice. She knows me very well. It's got all my favorite colors, too. Let's just squeeze some dye in there. There we go. I think that's enough for the purple. There's the cap. There's the cap. Voila. Just like that. You have dye. I would advise washing the outside because it does get covered in dye. When you're through with it, anyways. Gotta make sure where that green one is, otherwise I'll lose it in the lawn. Ooh, the green is so pretty. That's a green. Light green. Purple and green are my favorite colors. I really don't know why, but they are. Oops. The green is a little more liquidy than the rest. This is the floret. There we go. What do you think? Does it look good or bad? Voila. Well, maybe a little more. There we go. Now I have to wait 6 hours for this to dry, while you get the pleasure of seeing it come back in about a split second to see the final. So yeah, that's wonderful for you. I unfortunately have the pleasure of waiting. Which is kind of sad because I'm so excited. It's hard to get these gloves off, so I can't turn the camera off until I get these gloves off. Trying to use your nose doesn't work so well. So, I'll see you in a split second. Alright, so it's time to undo it now. So, actually this wasn't 6 hours, it was overnight, because by the time my 6 hours was up, it was like midnight, so I just let it sit overnight. So it should be more than dry. Even if it isn't, I not wait no longer. Then I have to rinse it out to make sure there's no extra dye, and wait for that to dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like on. Until then, you get to see it. Okay, those rubber bands are way too tight to go on my wrist. Oh, pretty. Ta-da! So pretty. Oh, I am satisfied. Ooh, and the back looks just as... I think the back actually kind of looks better. And then it's got the tied front. It's so pretty. Do that. Show you what it looks like when I get through with it. Ta-da! Just like that. We tie-dyed. I would advise setting it in vinegar though, so it doesn't bleed when you wash it, but I don't have vinegar right now. I'll do it when we get some. But until then, a nice tie-dye shirt. Just don't wash it. Thank you for viewing, and I will maybe do this again. Bye!